Hi everyone, what's up? Thank you so much for being here. I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video is going to be from NYX Cosmetics, and this is what they call the Sprinkle Town Cream Glitter Palette. They have 3 of these. Each is $10. I got mine at Ulta, and it's also available at the NYX website. I actually used my coupon for this one, so when I saw the display, I was like super excited because the colors are so fun, but I only end up getting these 3 palettes right over here. Now, what's confusing for me is that the colors are very pretty, okay? I bought this because I thought that this is cream glitter eyeshadows, but when I looked at the back, it says here, it's not for the eyes and it's not for the lips. I don't know if you guys could see that, but I'll try my best to make the camera focus. Come on. Come on. Okay. Let me zoom. Okay. Alright. Let me zoom it further so you guys could see. Do you guys see that? So in every box, there is a detail that it's not allowed for the lips and for the eyes. Same thing with the, ow! Okay, same thing with the other palettes. Now, to me, that is a little bit confusing because everything is more of like, you know, fun. So, in my opinion, this would probably be considered for, you know, just face and the hair. But I went ahead and tried it on my eyes, and then I will let you guys know my overall thoughts. But just a disclaimer, it already says in the packaging it's not for the eyes and it's not for the lips. So it's just going to be into your own preference whether you want to try it or not, but I'll let you guys know what I strongly feel about it at the end of this video. Now, just before we continue, in my opinion, for something that is not considered to be as for cosmetic glitter, I really think that $10 is, you know, a little too much because I was about to buy the Vault glitter pigments. However, I thought that, you know what, these are glitters too, might as well just buy this one. And then I looked at the packaging and I'm like, dang it! But I still went in ahead and do it anyway, so if I go blind, that's me, but I hope I don't because, you know, who wants to go blind? So let's swatch them one by one. I'm gonna start with Strawberry Whip. This is what Strawberry Whip looks like. It is actually very pretty. What I noticed in each eyeshadow palette is that there is one shade that is a mixture of the 2 shades right over here. So this shade, it's like a combination of these 2. I don't know why they did that, but let's go ahead and swatch it anyways. So there's no eyeshadow underneath here. It's literally, I feel like there's like glycerin or something underneath that makes everything stick. But here is what the Strawberry Whip looks like. Zoom it further so you guys could appreciate it even more. And then the next one is Chocolate Shake. So pretty. There you go. And then the last one is called Peppermint. Let's open it up. So I kind of forgot to show you guys what it looks like, so I'm so glad that I was able to insert this. So yeah, this is what the Peppermint looks like. I've already used the blue at work, and you know what? A lot of people are actually asking me, what is that? And I said the NYX one, and they were like, ah, it's so beautiful. These are so beautiful. So these are all the shades. Now that we are done with the swatches, I want to show you guys how I created this look right over here. So to start off this makeup look, I'm just going to make sure that my face is so clean, and then I am going to spray my face with the Juice Beauty Hydrating Mist. After that, I am going to fix my brow using my Tarte Amazonian Clay in Rich Brown. Nothing really special. Same brow routine, and I just you know, can't say this enough that I really love this brow product. I wish I have it in every color because this is one of those items that I do not mind carrying with me if I have these side gigs, just so because the performance of it is just really phenomenal. Look at the pigmentation of it. It is insane, and it will definitely save you some time. And of course, you can't really blend this glitter palette, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to partner it up with my eyeshadow palette from Profusion. I'm going to be using the palette Chocolates because I really love the color combo in this palette. I feel like this is going to complement the glitter that I will be using for today. I'm starting off with a cream shade, and then I'm going to apply that all over my eye area. And then after that, I'm gonna get the shade called Likeable and apply that on my crease. So I will be doing some transitions so that when we put the glitter in the middle, it's not gonna look a little crazy. And then of course, I'm definitely gonna use the green shade because it is the highlight of the palette. And could you not, this green shade is very nicely pigmented. I can't even stress that enough. For $10, I feel like it's doing an amazing job, and you'll be seeing that later on as I, you know, slowly intensify the green on my eyes. This is even way better than the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette because it has like a green shade there, right? The Sprinkle Town cream glitter palette that I will be using today is called Chocolate Shake. So isn't it funny because the palette from Profusion is called Chocolates and this is like Chocolate Shake, haha. So right now, as you can see, I'm just using a flat synthetic brush. My lid doesn't have any glitter glue, which reminds me that I should buy one because I have a lot of glitter pigments now. I'll be doing a haul video later on so you can see everything that I bought. And then using this really nice dark chocolate brown, I'm gonna apply that using a pencil brush and then just, you know, creating some depth with my eye. And then I'm using my Bare Minerals concealer. You'll be surprised, this concealer is actually pretty great. It is very rare that I wear concealer because no matter what I do, they always tend to crease on me because my eye bags, they're really like that. They're genetic, okay? They're just really genetically creasy. And then for my foundation, I will be using my Juice Beauty Phyto Pigment Foundation. And as you can tell, I really don't have any talent when it comes to video editing because sometimes my camera goes a little dark and now it's like, you know, true to its color. So please bear with me. I am still trying to improve my videography skills. So thank you for that. And then I will be using the LA Girl Pro Powder to set my whole entire face. Usually if my foundation is already full coverage, I'm not about to put like another full coverage powder on top of it. So for my contour, I will be using my Wet n Wild Dolce de Leche. I actually have the two shades that they have. So this one I haven't hit pan on it yet, and the other one I already did because I've been using it a lot. I really love the formula of this one, and it's super affordable. I can remember when I was just starting out and I can't afford anything, this was my best friend, and it, you know, I still love it. But I'm still kind of like trying to, you know, buy the real thing, the Marc Jacobs one. I want to try it. For my highlight, I will be using the Anastasia Dream Glow Kit. And for my blush, I will be using the Rimmel London in collaboration with Kate in the shade Golden Bronze. I absolutely love this blush, I'm sorry. It reminded me of the NARS Orgasm, but it's super affordable and I wish they are selling this separately because I'm obsessed with this blush. And lastly, for my lips, I will be using the Wet n Wild Catsuit Liquid Lipstick in Goth Topic. I didn't really thought about the lip color of this one. I thought it was like too dark, but it's already here and I'm too lazy to take it out because these are really intense. So this is the final makeup look, guys. I actually wore this blue shade the other day and I have received many compliments. Though I already know that this is actually not for the eyes and for the lips, I still went ahead and do it anyway. So For the record, I feel like I don't really feel anything grainy on my lips, my eyes, though they are chunky. I can tell it just by looking at it compared to like a real cosmetic grade one. They're not microfine glitter. It's more of like craft glitter with a more of like a petroleum base, something like that. That's what how I feel it is. But too bad these are not for the eyes because it could have been perfect. I was about to actually put in the title like NYX best, you know, but it's not safe. Do it at your own will. So again, I am not telling you guys, I'm not giving you guys my go signal because this is more of like a preference. I don't want anybody to get hurt because these type of things can scratch your iris and it can lead to blindness, which is scary. But you know, I just went ahead and tried it for you guys to let you know what it feels. So if you're gonna do it, just be very, very, very careful. The glitters, they do not tend to fall off. I didn't even use my fingers on the second time using this palette, and I actually really enjoyed it. Just too bad that it's not, you know, real cosmetic grade glitter. So do it on your own risk. It's gonna be up to you. Now, I was just wondering, like, if this is not for like the eyes and the lips, then what the heck is this for? Like, what am I gonna do with these now? And also, I just found the easiest way to remove this is use a balm cleanser and then wipe it off with a tissue and throw it in the trash, because I know these ones, they do not really dissolve and the glitters could go anywhere. So I also care for the environment. That is pretty much it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think on the comment box down below. Did you end up buying this as well, thinking that it is for the eyes and for the lips? Let me know, because I don't want to be the only one. That's pretty much it. I'll see you guys. Sorry. Make sure you subscribe and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!